Good morning. It's another cold morning. It's Tuesday. Just wanted to say that I bought a new mask. It feels actually really nice. Easily breathable, which is not the point of the mask. But at least I can be heard during the lectures, and this is washable. It's adjustable in the back, but it's really short. Kind of reminds me of underwear though. Oh well. Alright, gotta go teach some first graders, a 5th grade class, and a 4th grade class today. Let's go! Running to the ATM. I think it's still open until 7, but the English head teacher was talking to me a lot before I left. Apparently she wants to translate Dynamite by BTS. And I'm like, okay, that's gonna be hard, but let's do it. Okay. I got the money and now I'm trying to run back home so I could make it back to the bus stop around 5:20. Oh, that's a fat cat. It's a fat cat. Hi, fat cat. It's a fat cat. It was hiding from me. That fat cat was like, yo, that guy is fatter than me. It might eat me. Trying to get to that bus because the JR window at Mito station where I need to buy tickets for tomorrow's train is gonna be closing at 7. So I think I'll be getting there around like 6 p.m. ish if I leave at 5:20. I feel like ever since I did that official relocation form from the post office, I get a bunch of mail nowadays. I think something is offering me a house. Pension, I think. 4 degrees Celsius. Here's the bus stop. Should be coming in like a minute, I think. 5:23, I think. Mito. It's fake. Is this real? Oh, this is real. The free. That's cool. This one's gonna blossom too. That's cool. Ticket office. Midori no madoguchi. These 6 sheets of paper. It's basically a cool $300 all the way to Nagoya. So cute. Also a Gong Cha over here. L にします。L で大きい方でお買いからになります。ゴンチャのポイントカードお持ちですか？はい。ありがとうございます。That's interesting. Tatsuta? Chicken Tatsuta. McDonald's. Smaller than I thought. Itadakimasu. That bun is nice and soft. Really moist bun. It's like a brioche bun. The chicken has lemon taste. I just expecting more crispiness from the chicken. It's like a lemon flavored chicken nugget with some tartar. No. Tartar sauce. Not bad, but I wouldn't miss it. That's the one. 3 minutes late. Okay. The grocery, the only thing I bought is meat. 282 grams. It's 389 yen. Yo, I'm so tempted to just plant this garlic. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking now, and I'm gonna try to basically use up everything. So yeah, I'm making nabe again, basically a soup. And the fourth one. Four. And I still have some left. Unbelievable. Don't know what to do with this guy. We're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce, because why not? And then we're gonna put a little bit of this suka vinegar. Boom. It's gotta be good, right? It's probably good. Let's hope for the best. This way. Skabash. And I chopped up ibaraki sausage and the tofu. Let's snack on this a little bit, but yeah. Pop this open. Not like the Costco, you know, Kirkland Korean seaweed stuff. Check this out. I can actually count it. 1, 2, 8 sheets. 8 sheets. I mean, it's delicious, but you know, it's salted and oiled just like the Korean way. But it's just, there's only 8 sheets. Why? Almost forgot that I need to eat this last natto. This is the brand. Yeah, it says Mito in there. See this character right here? Mito! Pop it open, blah. And there's the mustard, the karashi, and the sauce. And then it's separated by this. Yeah, yes. Natto actually always reminds me of this anime called Yakitate Japan. I don't know if any of you guys watch it, but it's a baking anime, and it's such a ridiculous but also really funny show. It's just hilarious. I suggest you guys watch it if you have the chance. But basically, the main character's grandpa was like, "I love natto," and then you know, always eats it with rice. But because the main character is a baker, he's like, I'm gonna bake bread that you will want to eat with natto, and he succeeds. Let's see what it tastes like with seaweed. I've had like a sushi thing before of natto. It wasn't quite to my liking because the natto itself didn't taste good. Let's see what this tastes like. Itadakimasu. Okay, I can dig that. That's alright. Can't taste the seaweed though. Jump into ibaraki sausage. We're just gonna boop. Dump a whole slab. That's the last slab of meat. But look at how much I already have. And I still have tofu. Eat. Let's taste the meat first, because that's what's greeting me. Itadakimasu. That might be better than the kasumi meat. This meat is fire. I think it's like a tiny bit thicker than the one from kasumi. The fat has more flavor. I had this experiment where I was trying to turn this into an octopus. I'm almost there. I need to make the points sharper. The tentacles. But this has 6 feet. I'll try to go for 8 next time. Well, I guess that's not really the YouTube, but I finished uploading a video. Good night, world.